Hey guys, what is up? My name is Austin. Should you upgrade to Windows 10? Windows 10, in short, is a combination of the pros of Windows 8 and 7, but with a few extra tricks up its sleeve. One being the new start menu. It's basically like the one from Windows 7, but with a new design and apps on the side that can be unpinned and hidden should you desire. The design of Windows 10 overall is a lot more polished and consistent than previous versions of Windows. There's a lot more transparency and organization going on, which I personally like. Design is always one of these spots that I thought Windows fell behind in compared to the competition. Things like task view really help with multitasking, especially if you're someone who's limited to only using a single display. Where Microsoft really tried to deliver in Windows 10 was with Microsoft Edge, Microsoft's new web browser that is replacing Internet Explorer and aiming to replace any other web browser you'd want to use. Microsoft even claims that Edge beats out Chrome in the SunSpider test by 112%, the Octane test by 11%, and Apple Jetstream by 37%. Those are some pretty serious claims to make, but how does Edge actually stack up? When put against Chrome, Opera, and Firefox, Edge seems to hold its own. It beat out the competition by a good amount in the SunSpider and Apple Jetstream test, and wasn't too far off from the others in the rest of the test, but it did score the lowest in the Peacekeeper test. But don't let that discourage you. Microsoft Edge is significantly improved over Internet Explorer, and I'd have no problem using it as my main browser. Performance and features are on point. Windows 10 also introduces a new virtual assistant called Cortana, and it's great. It's not quite up to the level of Hound or Google now, but in my use it performs substantially better than Siri. Cortana is also available for Android as well. There's also a new notification center, similar to the one on your phone, that displays notifications from apps and contains some quick toggles, as well as including a toggle to enable the new power saving mode in Windows 10, instead of the classic power saver, balanced, and high performance profiles found in past versions of Windows. The new power saver mode didn't yield very different results for me, but this is the final beta, which means there's still room for tweaking before the July 29th release date. Overall battery life while using Windows 10 was still very good. It's unclear to me if it was better or worse than using Windows 8.1, but again, everything seemed pretty good, and I expect better results when the OS is actually released and Microsoft is done tweaking power saving mode. There's also some little things too, such as the ability to run apps on the desktop instead of being locked down to the Metro UI from Windows 8, and more design-based things like new menus, transitions, and system tones. Overall, I think Windows 10 is a solid improvement over Windows 8. It takes everything people love from Windows 7 and 8, redesigns it, throws in some cool new features, and ditches the rest. So should you upgrade to Windows 10? Yeah, you should. I've been using the final preview version and it's been a great experience. It's not the final version, of course. Microsoft does still plan on tweaking a few things before the final release on July 29th, but even though it's still a beta, I prefer it over Windows 8.1 and can't wait to upgrade to the final version, which is going to be free for Windows 7 and 8 users. Alright, I'm done ranting now. Let me know down in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.